Women is the most beautiful creation of society, and feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It is about changing the way the world perceives the strength. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Alina Razak standing before you to present today's morning assembly on theme Women's Day. This date celebrates the power of women, their rights and role in our lives and society. Let us all honor the power of women but also highlight the suffrage, pain and anguishes that they have successfully battled over the years. And we salute to all women of the society. Let us pray for all those women whose lives are hampered by sickness and ill health, and we ask God to heal them. Let us all join our hands and start prayer.
कोई भरोसा कोई सहारा इस तेरे ज़माने नहीं कोई हमारा ये सरया अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले सरया अल्लाह ये दाता ये सरया अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले सरया अल्लाह ये दाता एक तू ही भरोसा एक तू ही सहारा इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा ये सरया अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले सरया अल्लाह ये दाता तेरा देखा जाए
Everyone at same point in a life needs some kind of inspiration. And if we are to keep on moving forward, thought acts and an ion memorial to focus us towards a specific goal. For thought of the day, I would like to call Jyoti. A very warm morning to all of you. A very warm morning to all of you. Today's thought is the most beautiful thing a woman can wear is confidence. I repeat, the most beautiful thing a woman can wear is confidence. Thank you and have a great day. News is important to inform about events that are happening around us and around the world. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Priyanshi.
A very good morning to all. Today's news headlines are International news. China defense budget signal military readiness, not immediate war, expert says. Cancer causing chemical found in sub acne treatment, US lab report. China hails favorable conditions despite trades. National news. PM Modi unveiled multiple metro projects including Kolkata underwater. Farmer protest Delhi police keep strict vigil at Tikri, Ghaziabad, Delhi, Haryana borders. Sports news. Khelo India medal winner will now be eligible for government jobs. Rohit Sharma ahead at 5th India England test. Don't know what baseball means. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Word of the day is to improve our vocabulary quickly. We should make an effort to learn at least one new word every single day. For today's new word, I would like to invite Ifra.
Good morning, everybody. Word of the day is scrupulous, meaning extremely attentive. Sentence: Great men are seldom over scrupulous in the arrangement of their attire. Thank you.
As you know that our theme is Women's Day, to tell us more about this, I would like to invite Vaishnav.
Good morning. Views on on Women's Day. Women's Day is observed on 5th March every year. It is a day marked to raise awareness about women's rights, the right of abortion, gender equality, and the right to education. This day is celebrated because Women's Day serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggle for gender equality and the need to collective action create a more just and inclusive world. They are making difference the world around her. The most importantly, they play a vital role in our upbringing of children making a home. Our responsibility is to honor and appreciate the women who are making success in their lives and bringing success into the life of other women and those around her. Education is a key to bringing down barriers and empowering girls to pursue their dreams. By investing equality education, we not only enhance the lives of girls but also contribute to development of our community. Let's also give a big shout out to Indian women in sports. Think about PV Sindhu, who won a silver medal in badminton at the 2016 Olympics. She's the first Indian woman to do that, and she has become a role model for girls who chase their dreams. In cricket, Harmanpreet Kaur and Smriti Mandhana are leading the way. By supporting women's sports, we are saying everyone deserves a chance, no matter their gender. Furthermore, we have to accept that both women and men contribute equality on the betterment of the home and society. Women are the one who brings life, and every woman is extraordinary. No matter where she works, whether it's a home or an office. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, I would like to call students of class 7 for their dance performance.